I used to think my sleep struggles were just a part of having MS. And maybe my brain couldn't rest the way it used to.
But here's the truth. Sleep isn't just rest for someone with MS. It's the repair shop where remyelination and brain rewiring actually happen.
And lately, something shifted. I've been sleeping better, deeper, without even trying. Even when I miss my perfect 7 hours and 30 minutes, I don't crash. I only feel positive.
That kind of resilience points to one thing. You've cleared the last hurdle. Your brain has restarted remyelination.
But here's the part that surprised me. The real key wasn't a new supplement. It wasn't another hack. It was water.
Hydration sounds simple, but in the brain, it's everything. Water drives the glymphatic system, the nightly rinse cycle that clears out inflammation and myelin debris.
And when the debris clears, the repair crew, the OPCs, can actually rebuild myelin. That's what I'm feeling in my body.
Hydration also cools your core temperature, which is how you enter deep sleep. And it stabilizes electrolytes, potassium, sodium, magnesium, so your neurons fire cleanly.
Here's my number. 136 ounces of water every single day. That's my floor. And since hitting it consistently, my sleep went from a coin toss to reliable.
But here's the twist. It's not just how much water, it's when.
Yeah, because if you slam water late at night, you're running to the bathroom. And broken sleep means broken repair.
So Steve front loads. 75% of his daily intake is done by midday. The last 25% spread lightly, then cut off 2 or 3 hours before bed.
That's when sleep becomes predictable. And predictable sleep means myelin repair can keep stacking night after night.
The science is simple. Deep sleep clears. Rapid eye movement rewires. Water unlocks both.
Let's break it down. During deep sleep, your brain shrinks slightly, almost like squeezing a sponge, so cerebral spinal fluid can flush through. It's washing out waste, inflammation, even leftover myelin debris from years of MS attacks.
And then comes REM sleep. This is where the brain doesn't just rest, it practices. Neural connections fire in rehearsal mode, strengthening motor skills and memory. For MS, this is neuroplasticity in action, the rewiring that restores function.
So what water does is simple but profound. It gives both systems, the flushing and the rewiring, the raw support they need.
There's also something deeper. Hydration affects potassium, and potassium's central to both muscle relaxation and neuron recovery. When Steve adds potassium midday with oats and pumpkin seeds, or again in the evening with his other supplements, he's not just preventing cramps. He's nudging his nervous system into balance for deeper sleep.
And the results are obvious. No more tossing, no more shallow nights. I go to bed knowing I'll wake up restored. That's something I couldn't say years ago.
It's worth pausing here, because in MS, poor sleep isn't just being tired. It can literally stall recovery. Broken sleep keeps myelin debris from clearing and prevents OPCs, the repair cells, from doing their work.
Exactly. So when I protect my sleep with hydration, I'm not just resting better, I'm making repair possible.
Let's go one step further. Studies show that even a single night of poor sleep increases inflammatory markers. But consistent deep sleep lowers them, setting up the brain for regeneration.
I've lived that. When I was sleep deprived, every symptom felt amplified. When I started sleeping deeply, things reversed. Balance, strength, even my thinking, it all sharpened.
That's why the combination matters. Consistent hydration, smart timing, and respecting your natural sleep window. Together, they open the door to recovery.
And I'll be honest, I don't even try anymore. Sleep just happens.
It's not about chasing hacks. It's about supporting biology so thoroughly that recovery becomes automatic.
This is why I tell you, recovery isn't magic. It's systems. Exercise, diet, hydration, sleep, niacin. They stack. And when they stack, MS repair isn't just possible, it's inevitable.
For anyone watching, your experiment is simple. Hit your hydration target, time it wisely, protect your sleep window, and let your brain show you what it can do.
This is how I used water, sleep, and consistency to restart remyelination. And you can join me in doing the same thing.
Every story, yours, Steve's, mine, adds to the proof that recovery is real. Share your journey in the comments.
Make sure to like and subscribe. Join my Patreon and we can chat face to face digitally. Link in the description. Thanks for watching. Until the next video.